Grooming himself. He's actually got quite loose teeth.
Ah, good one.
It's quite heavy cloud cover this morning.
It is. Yeah, fairly makulu.
I've got thousands of elephants.
So he's busy feeding at the moment, like they are most of the day.
Very long tail.
Mm.
Good pose, yeah.
The one that he started going after was a female, so.
Left the Slummy Dagger Boys on Elephant Loop, unattended, still heading slowly in a westerly direction.
So we'll browse a bit.
Little bit, but only by accident. The other one's still in the hole. Of their total body weight daily to stay healthy.
Than that, absolutely amazing. I'll pay that.
Yes. There's a couple of different types of zebra throughout Africa.
Hey, sir. I'm going up there. Just bumping quite a bit of stuff on the way. Yeah, I am going up there. Yeah, if the yard goes on, Keenan and I can give you in back hand there. Sure, it won't be any. Back on this channel. No change. Thanks, Kim. They are coming out of the clearings if you want to make it 3 vehicles. The other was, then the third is yours. Kim has been calling. Copy that. Thanks a lot. lock yet, no.
Negative, I'm still on one.
Copy. Dynamos. Stand by, that's upstairs, yeah? Yeah, sorry, I've just remembered that Rob. Apologies, chaps. Let's find a channel. Maybe, Rob, can we get the drink?
Yeah, I was just going to say, you need to try to get it to move on. Move on, yes. I sort of have got it, but it's the word.
Rob, we must start coming.
Was it Conconia Road, link between Northern Adelaide Airstrip and Ingrid Pan? You should see me in the block. The skin's extremely tough. The thing, the leopard's got to try and avoid those big tusks there.
Yes. Is this the leopard we saw last night?
No, this is another one.
It's not the same leopard.
No, the Ravenscourt male.
If there are any other standbys, then you can make your way in straight to join Fred there. Call that out, if there's anyone on standby.
I think it's the Ravenscourt male, actually, young male.
Rob, have you got an idea on that?
I'll take a one, I think.
So do you want maybe on a one ahead of me and I'll take a two if you're interested in that sighting.
The warthog's putting up a battle.
Absolutely.
I'll take a one maybe.
It's getting there. It's getting under. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Try.
David, is Dan coming? Go channel 2.
So basically they don't really have many predators.
To look out for danger. So therefore the less danger they would be in.